Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video we are going to solve a set based on distribution. So before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us. Our Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for the video. So the question says that Pawan, a consultant, travels between four different cities: London, Paris, New York and Zurich. When traveling between any two cities, he always travels by air. Further, any flight that he took between any pair of cities took off and landed on the same day. Also, if he took a flight from any city on a day, he landed in that city again only after at least 10 days. Last year on May 1st, Pawan landed in Paris from Zurich. During the month of May and June of that year, Pawan traveled only on May 4, May 7, May 13, May 18th, May 22, May 26, June 1, June 7 and June 13th. On June 13, he landed in Paris. The number of days that he stayed in any city does not include the day on which he landed in that city and the day on which he took a flight from that city. Okay, so see, this is also a very simple set. Just one thing you have to keep in mind is that whenever occurs a possibility of forming a case, you do not leave that, because if you leave a case, then there is a very high probability that you will finish your set maybe 1 or 2 minutes earlier, but you will be getting your questions wrong. It is possible because maybe the other case is saying something else. Okay, so do not leave a case whenever it arises. So first thing which we have to do is we have to make a table. So what a table will look like is this. So you will be having your date here and you will be having your city here. Okay, I'm only writing 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 13, 13 to 18, 18 to 22, 22 say 26, 26 to 1, 1 to 7 and 7 to 13. So these are all in May and this is in June. Okay, so this is how our table will look like. Okay, Acha, now we have been given a few information. We have been given that from May 1 to May 4 he was in Paris. So let's put it that way. He was in Paris. On May 4 he took a flight. Now he cannot be traveling to Paris or Zurich since he had left Zurich and landed on Paris in May 1st. Okay, so hence he could have traveled only to two places, that is London or New York. So we will take both the cases. In one case where he is traveling to London, so let's extend our table now. Okay, so he is traveling to London, and in the second case we are taking him to New York. Okay, now let's see what we can do. So on May 7th he could not have traveled back to Paris or Zurich because he left Zurich and Paris on May 1 and May 4th respectively, and in both the cases 10 days have not elapsed. Okay, so that means the only possibility for him to go in case 1 is New York and in case 2 is London. Okay, York and London. So let's fill it. Acha. Now let's come to 13th of May. Okay. So on 13th of May, he could not have traveled back to Paris because he left Paris on May 4th, and he cannot travel to London or New York. Okay. In both the cases, because on 13th, 10 days have not elapsed for any of the three cities. So that means the only possibility for him for 13th is Zurich. Okay. So let's put it that way. Okay, now let's come to 18th of May. Let's see what's happening on 18th of May. So on 18th of May, talking about case 1, on 18th of May he cannot go to Zurich, neither can he go to New York. He can go to London, he can go to Paris. So we will take both the cases. This time I'm writing it here itself, Paris or London, and in this case it will be Paris or New York. Okay, Paris or New York. Now coming to May 22nd. See, on May 22nd, talking about case 1, and we are talking about the case in which he went to Paris. So if he went to Paris, then he cannot go to Paris on 22nd. He cannot go to Zurich. Also, he cannot go to New York. So the only possibility for him is London. Acha, if he went to London on 18th, okay, then he cannot go to London on 22nd. He cannot go to Zurich. He cannot go to New York. So he will be going to Paris. So these are the two possibilities, okay, for 22 to 26. Same will go for case 2. That is either he can go to New York or he can go to Paris depending upon where he went on 18th. Okay, so this is it. Now let's come to May 26. So on May 26 he could not have traveled to talking about case 1, he could not have traveled to Paris or London or Zurich. So the only possibility for him is New York. Similarly, the only possibility in case 2 will be London. Okay, I hope you are getting it. How we got this. Now, what we have to do is coming to 1 to 7. So on 1, he cannot go to New York, neither he can go to London, neither he can go to Paris. So the only possibility for him is Zurich. Okay, Zurich. In both the cases, it will be the same thing because he cannot go to London, he cannot go to New York, or he cannot go to Paris. Okay, so the only possibility is Zurich. The only condition which you have to keep in mind while solving this set is do not take him to a place where he went 10 days back. Okay, where 10 days have not elapsed. Okay, otherwise you will be good to go. It's a very easy set. You just have to keep that condition in mind, and it will be solved within 5 to 7 minutes. Now let's come to the last day on 7 to 13. So see, he could not have traveled to, talking about case 1, he could not have traveled to Zurich, neither he could have traveled to New York. Okay, he could not have traveled to those two places. Acha, then talking about London and Paris. London and Paris are left. Can he travel to London or Paris? Okay. On June 7th, he could have traveled to Paris or London, but he landed on Paris on 13th. It is said in the question, see, when you look at the question, it is saying on June 13, he landed in Paris. Okay, so if on June 13 he landed in Paris, that means he did not go to Paris on June 7th. Okay, so in this case, it will be London, and in this case, it will be New York. Okay, so I hope this is clear. How did we get to this set? So this is a complete solution. Now we can move towards a question. So let's see. For how many days did Pawan stay in Paris during the period May 1 to June 13? So he stayed in Paris for on 2nd of May, on 3rd of May. After that he lived in Paris for, in both these cases, how many days? It is 19, 20 or 21 in case if on 18 to 22. And if we take 22 to 26, then he lived for 23, 24 and 25. That is 3 days in both the cases. So 3 days here and 2 days here. So a total of 5 days. Okay. So for 5 days he lived in Paris. That's your answer. Acha, let's come to question 2. Question 2 says for how many days did Pawan stay in London during the period May 1 to June 13th? Okay, so let's see how many days did he stay in London. So London is here. Okay, let's talk about case 1. London is here, so he stayed there for 5th and 6th, 2 days. After that he came to London in this, so additional 3 days. So 2 and 3, 5 days as of now. After that he came to London here. So when he came to London here, how many days did he spend? He spent 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 5 days here. So 5 days here, 3 here and 2 here. So first case mein he went for 5 days. Talking about case 2. Case 2 mein 7 to 13, so 5 days. Again 26 to 1. So 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. So that is again 5 days because we know that May is of 31 days. So 5 days here, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. Again 10 days. And in this case also, how many days did it come? It came 10 days. So our answer will be, because in both the cases it is giving us 10 days. So we can definitely say that our answer will be 10 days and not cannot be determined. Okay. So this is your answer. Now let's move ahead to the third question. The third question says, if Pawan stayed in New York on May 19, in which city did Pawan stay on June 10? On May 19, that is in this window, where did he's saying that he stayed? On May 19, Pawan stayed in New York. Okay, so we are talking about case 2. Let's say he went to New York. Then on June 10 he will be in New York, because June 7 to June 13 is fixed for case 2. So that is New York. He will be in New York on June 10. So your answer will be New York. So that's your answer. See, the only this I hope that you have understood it well, and you would have seen how easily did I solve this set. Because see, the only thing which you have to keep in mind is कि भाई 10 दिन पहले जहाँ गया वहाँ दोबारा नहीं लाना है. And the only condition which you have to keep in mind is that after that your set will be a cakewalk. Also, a very important thing, whenever you have, see, like cases are forming, do not leave a case. Do not think कि एक केस से काम चल जाएगा. It's not going to happen. What will happen is you will save 1 or 2 minutes, but your answer can be wrong. Okay, your answer can be wrong. if you did only solve the case 1 or either you solved case 2, then you were lucky enough that in all these 3 questions there was not even a single question in which both the cases were different, both the cases were gave same answer for every question. So you were lucky enough, but it's not going to happen every time. So keep that in mind, guys. Thanks for watching.